If you're tired of always unlocking your Apple Watch with a passcode that you originally set up, and you're not worried or even need the security of a passcode, then I'll show you how you can easily turn it off. We'll take a look at how you can do this on the watch itself, then how to turn the passcode off using the Watch app on your iPhone. And at the end, we'll look at how you can force reset your Apple Watch if you can't remember the current passcode at all. To turn the passcode off on your watch, first press the digital crown on the right to get to the app list. Inside of here, find and then tap Settings. Scroll down a bit until you see Passcode and then choose that. Now at the top, you can then select Turn Passcode Off and then again to confirm. It will then have you put in your current passcode, and when you do, it'll turn it off. It'll also let you know that when you turn the passcode off, if you use any credit cards attached to your wallet used here, it will then remove them. Just something to remember if you do use that feature. Now let's do this on an iPhone. First, start by opening up the Watch app. Inside of here, just scroll down and then tap Passcode. In the same process as before, tap Turn Passcode Off, confirm, and then enter your current passcode to turn it off. But what if you forget your passcode altogether and you need to turn it off? If that's the case, then you need to reset and erase your Apple Watch. To do this, first make sure that the watch is connected to a charger. Then, press and hold the side button until the watch shows the power options. After that, press the digital crown until Erase All Content and Settings appears. You can then hit Erase and confirm to do a full reset on your watch. This is last resort though, because after you do this, you will need to reset up your watch completely. And that's how you turn off your Apple Watch passcode using the watch itself or your iPhone.